Hello guys, today we have a very interesting question which is uh, sine theta plus cos theta whole square equals 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. We have to show that. So we will take left hand side that is sine theta plus cos theta whole square. So you see we have two terms that is sin theta and cos theta and the in between sign is positive, okay, and then whole square. So we can use math rule which is a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2 a and b. So open this whole bracket according to this rule. So we will take square of sine, then square of cos theta, then plus 2 ab. A is sine, in this case sin theta and cos theta. Okay, now we have sin theta square, cos theta square, and 2 sin theta cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is math rule, okay. So here put the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so which is our right hand side in the question. So we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. I hope you have liked this video. If so, then kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.